everybody, it's Miss Ebony. I'm here to give you a quick tutorial on the user guide that I posted for the TI84. So this is going to be a living document, which means that it's going to be changing as we add on functions and ways to use the calculator. So this is basically using the graphing calculator for reduced row echelon form, or RREF. So let's talk about the home screen first. When you click on your calculator, this will start you in the home screen. From here you can, oh, I didn't realize I put that in. But for here you can do simple math or complex math. Here is some basic key functions, just so you guys know how to just do different things on your calculator. Different keys, how they work. Also, just to note that when you push any letter in the home screen, you'll actually get a number. In this case, my number is 3 because 3 was stored in the X. I purposely stored 3 in the X, and at a later time, I'll show you how to do storing numbers in the variables so that you can use them in your home screen. But let's talk about the matrix. So this is reduced row echelon form, or RREF. This is what we want to get our matrices in to solve them. This one is a basic 3x3. It's not actually here to solve anything. It is here to just kind of be used as an example for RREF functions. So you're going to go to the matrix menu on your calculator. Here's my calculator. And the way you get there, let me put this off to the side here so you could have both our calculator and our notes open. The way you get there is you're going to hit second and then the X to the -1 key. So I'm connecting my calculator here, and I'm going to go to my SmartPad app so that I can use my calculator buttons here. So I'm going to hit second and X1. That will get us into the following screen. This is my matrix screen, and there's 3 different tabs in my matrix screen. There's the names, that's the name of the matrix, math, which is all our calculations that we can do on the matrix, and edit. This allows us to create or edit a matrix that we already have. So we want to edit the matrix. We're going to go over to the edit key, and we're going to hit enter. In our case, we're looking at a 3x3 matrix. All right. Next, I'm going to hit continue, and I'm going to put the numbers in. So -1, 4, 0, 5, 1, -2. And what I'm doing in between each is I'm hitting the enter key. So you can actually see how my buttons are being hit by the like the red one is my last one that I hit. So I hit enter the last key that I hit. I don't think I can say that more times. So now I have my matrix, my 3x3, and I'm now going to exit out of my matrix screen. So this is kind of crazy. We have to exit out of this screen. So I'm going to hit second and mode. This will quit and take me back to that home screen. Hi, so now we need to go back to that matrix menu so that we can actually do calculations on our matrix. So I'm going to hit second X to the -1. And again, here are my 3 tabs, the names, the math, and the edit. And I'm going to go over to math. Math will allow me to do certain operations. Like I could fill my matrix, I could do identities on my matrix. The one that we are most interested in is the RREF. This is our reduced row echelon form. So I'm going to hit enter. That will then take us back to our home screen. Now I need to grab the matrix that we just created. So again, to get into that matrix menu, I'm going to hit enter and X to -1. And here we are in step 4. I'm going to grab that matrix by hitting enter. I can close a parentheses since this is the only matrix we have in there. We don't necessarily need to. The calculator will know that that's the end of the statement since that's the end of the row. But then I'm going to hit enter. And now we have our REF, or reduced row echelon form, here in my calculator. So there's a kind of quick video on how to use the calculators for our REF. I hope you guys have a great afternoon.